Cloud technology is transforming tech in 2024. Cloud computing has changed how businesses operate. It offers more flexibility, scalability, and cost efficiency. In 2024, we expect more advancements in cloud tech. The focus will be on hybrid cloud, edge computing, and network infrastructure. Companies will want to use cloud services. Hybrid cloud solutions. Hybrid cloud solutions combine public and private clouds. They offer the best of both worlds. Companies can use public cloud services for their cost and scalability. They can keep control over sensitive data with private cloud infrastructure. Edge computing. Edge computing brings the cloud closer to the user. It reduces latency and boosts performance. As IoT devices grow and demand for real-time data rises, edge computing will shape the future of tech. Network infrastructure. Cloud technologies rely on robust network infrastructure to deliver seamless connectivity and performance. In 2024, we will see advances in cloud networking, automation, and infrastructure management. The impact of cloud technologies. Cloud technologies have a big impact on businesses. They enable innovation, growth, and competitiveness in a fast-changing market. From best practices to disaster recovery, companies want to use the cloud to grow. In 2024, there will be a focus on cloud governance. Conclusion. In 2024, cloud technologies are transforming tech. Businesses can use the cloud to drive innovation and growth.